hours. A good soul, but I won't take advantage. From South Philly, like my favorite.
Hi, my name is Chanel. Welcome back to my channel. So today I just wanted to show like my process of getting my front of my hair to a more blonder color. So as you can see in my video right now, like my hair is chocolate at the back. The roots have grown out with both the brown color and my front little, I wouldn't call it peekaboo, but my front little blonde piece there. So I'm just dyeing the roots of my blonde piece because I wanted to refresh that, and I didn't think it would matter with the brown. Plus, I didn't feel like it. So we're just doing the front of the blonde right now. And as you can see, my blonde at the front is kind of goldish, yellowish, and I want to get that out the way too. So I'm just starting at my root because obviously the ends are already blonde. So I want my roots to process faster than my ends, so it all can kind of meet in the middle. So I'm doing my roots and I'm starting on one side of my head, and then I'm just parting through and just getting my roots as thoroughly as possible all through with the brush. And then later you'll be able to see that I'm going to take the rest of that and then emphasize it on like the front, my edges and stuff like that, and then drag it down. So I'm just showing you that process. It shouldn't take long with the movie magic we're doing here. So I'm just gonna let you watch me do that real quick. And I'm sorry about this color. I cannot get the color graded right. So each clip, as like I start and stop recording, it changes with the color of my hair changing. So like when it was that golden color, the gold shine through and it kind of manipulated the light. And now you see that my hair is like bright because I've refreshed the color and now it's brighter. So the lens is kind of brighter. It's more yellow. I'm so sorry, but I had to tone it down a little so it looks kind of funky because it just was looking crazy. It was kind of hurting my eyes to edit it, and I didn't want it to be too bad with the glare for people watching. But as you can see, I kind of over processed my roots a little, not in every spot, but mostly in the front, because my front in particular, I was making sure, because the last time I did this process, my front was not processed properly, so like my hair wasn't blonde at the edges that much, and I didn't like that. So I was like overdoing it, and I got kind of white. But I'm taking this toner. This is an aqua toner, so I think this is T18, and I'm taking that with a 20 volume developer. Oh, and not to mention, when I mixed my color, I did a 30 volume developer with the blonde bleach, and I added some like protein hair mask into that as well. So